Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Xbox error 0x803F8001 quick Xbox license and game launch fix. Fix 1. Sign out and sign back into Xbox. Press the Xbox button on your controller, then go to Profile and System. Now select your profile and choose Sign out. Restart your Xbox, then sign back in with the account that owns the game or Game Pass subscription. Fix 2. Verify game ownership. Open My Games and Apps and locate the game showing the error. Now open the Microsoft Store page for the game and confirm that the game is owned by your account or included with your active subscription. Fix 3. Check your Game Pass subscription. Open Settings, then select Account, then go to Subscriptions. Now verify that your Game Pass or Xbox Live subscription is active. Then renew the subscription if it has expired. Fix 4. Set your console as home Xbox. Open Settings, go to General, then go to Personalization and select My Home Xbox. Now choose Make this My Home Xbox and restart the console and launch the game again. This refreshes digital licenses. Fix 5. Power cycle your Xbox. Press and hold the Xbox power button for 10 seconds, then wait for another 30 seconds. Now turn the console back on and try launching the game again. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.